Union, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are good and I hope you guys are having an amazing time. Today is 1st of May and I'm really excited. It seems like 2025 is actually moving very fast, or am I the only one? But anyway, today is new month. You guys know the drill, you know what we do. We have to clean up, reset and plan for the new month. First and first, let's clean my room, change my bed sheets, wash my toilet, and yeah, that's basically what I'll do today. So I'll see you guys.
Last summer, poolside vibes and turn up. I'm with the goons and the girls in the background. I'ma put the windows down and holler. Was it something you all that caught me, baby? Present, style, and aura. Can I get your name, Mr. Lady? Whatever you want, just name it. Girl, let's be honest. The things I would do, I think to stand by for you. I think to stand up. A different world. It ain't even worth us splitting. If you knew what I was hitting on, you never would've came at me like that. Never would've tried to play me like that. Like, you don't have to spend no time. Like, you don't have to give your all. Like, you don't have to do it right. Like, you don't have to, like, you don't have to talk to me. Like, you don't have to try to teach me. Like, you ain't have to learn me, earn me. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you gon' have to reciprocate. You can take that back. I've had enough of all that. You tryna cover up what you lack. That's just why. Give her the facade, I can see. If you let your guard down, I won't tell no one. You just be yourself, but I'ma teach you that love is built, it can't be bought. I know that you just used to these bitches. They ain't bout shit, they just waiting. I know you met me in a club, but I'm different.
So yeah, I didn't do workouts or stretch because physically I'm not that strong, but I have a little strength to clean my room and just do the little thing. So I'm done with the room. It smells so freaking nice. Like, I'm not even exaggerating, it smells so nice. So I think maybe it's that mini air freshener. It smells so nice. But anyway, I'm done. I have to clean the kitchen and then the toilets. So I'll see you guys.
So I spent 1 million on you. No, 1 million on you. Like colors of the rainbow, your presence also made me feel like a pot of gold. Ooh. Still struggle to compare you. Your presence like an angel, sound like a brand new home. Full of ideas, time twisted when you tease. Stop and stare, rope shakes when you reach down. Blue jeans, yeah, that waste time forever. I'm up on it, you say, go easy, stop it now. Full of ideas, time twisted when you tease. Stop and stare, rope shakes when you reach down. Blue jeans, yeah, that waste time forever.
Guys, finally I'm done. Like, I am really exhausted, but I'm grateful I had the little strength in me to clean every single way. So everywhere is neat and I'm excited about it. But then again, I just want to thank you guys, appreciate you guys. If you've been watching, you've been commenting, you've been following me, thank you so much. I love you guys so much, and I never take any of it for granted. So next up, I just have to like freshen up, look good, smell good, and journal, reset and reflect for this month and last month. So
But I'm different. I'm really fucking with your heart and my chest. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you gon' have to reciprocate.
Oh, well, that will be nice. Yes, yes.
hi Minion, welcome back. So I just finished journaling, and when I was journaling I realized some things which I'm really grateful to. I know sometimes we are human, we kind of like complain and show the other side of, oh, I'm like way behind, I've not even done anything, I've not achieved, there's no progress, there's nothing, because it's very slow. But journaling just made me realize that no, you're actually receiving something, not like you're not receiving anything. So yeah, I'm grateful for that. So let's reflect. The month of April was really amazing. It was chill, nothing crazy happened, and I'm grateful for that. When I started month of March, I was in like 720. By month of April, I'm like in 790. That means I've grown with like close to like 50 or 30 more people, and I don't know what to expect in the month of May. Zero expectation. That's one thing I'm looking forward to for me. So month of April was very cool, nothing crazy, everything was just chill. I was just seeing my growth one day at a time. I remember I did 30 days challenge of journaling. Did I do it? Yes, I did. But did I complete it? No, because I missed some days, which is okay, which is fine, no pressure. So I think month of April was just cool. I didn't put so much pressure on myself that, oh, I need to achieve this, I need to achieve this. No, all what I wanted in the month of April was just to be consistent, which I did. But I took a break in the middle of April for my TikTok and Instagram because I realized some certain things, so I had to go for a break. But now the month of May, I have to start all over again, and I hope everything will work out because I'm trying to like re-strategize, recreate more content, and figure out what I really want to do on these two platforms. Because I feel like my TikTok and my YouTube is okay because I'm growing every day, which is like an improvement, which shows that I'm actually doing something. But I just need to like be consistent with it. So I think among all the platforms, YouTube is one of the platforms that actually encourage you, that actually like see your work, because you will definitely grow, you get the view as long as they're consistent and the like. So basically that's what I'm focusing on for the month of May. So no pressure, nothing, zero expectation. All I want in this month is just to be consistent. So I changed the schedule time that I post 4 times. I post twice a week, which is if I post the first video, the next 4 days I post the next one, the next 4 days I post the next one. That's something I'm trying to keep more from May to like the end of the year, because I've come to realize that I tried posting every single day. I've tried posting 3 times a week. Yes, I've tried. If you've been following me, you know my journey. I've tried posting 3 times a week, and now I'm trying 2 times a week, which I think is like the best schedule ever. Twice a week as a small YouTuber. Maybe it's when you've grown to like some extent, then you start trying the once a week, which is fine. But for now, if you're still growing and everything, I advise that either you try 3 times, 2 times, than just once a week, because that's not actually improving. So yeah, I'll be trying the 2 times a week, which I think is cool and it's fair. That's what I'll be doing for the month of May. And also I want to take my vitamin. So this is the vitamin I've been taking, and to be honest with you guys, I struggle with it. This is like the 3rd bottle that I've gotten. Is actually big. I need to eat, because that's like my challenge. I need to eat healthy to be able to take this. So that's one thing I'm looking forward to take my vitamin more often. I buy them and they're very expensive, but I don't use them, which is crazy. That's another thing I'm looking forward to. Posting consistent, taking my vitamin, eating healthy, and just flow with life. I'm grateful and trying not to compare myself, because sometimes I do, but it shouldn't be that crazy. So basically that's just it. I just hope every time I do monthly reset video, it actually encourages you to just track your growth and not to compare yourself. Instead, you track your growth and then you show how grateful you are. You see how you've improved, then you get to know if you're actually growing or you're not. And then when you realize that you're not growing, that means you have to change strategy. I think that's what I did for my TikTok and my Instagram, because I'm not growing. So right now I want to try a different strategy for this May and hopefully I see that I improve and I start growing. Because for my YouTube, I feel like it's okay. I'm growing every single day. That's a sign that I'm actually doing something that is good. So what should we expect in the month of May from my YouTube? Nothing crazy. I don't think I'll be going any outing this month of May because things are hard. Things are really hard in this country. So more of 9 to 5, working in the office, work 9 to 5, working in the office, working in the office, working in the office. That's all you'll be seeing more. And maybe like monthly resets. Basically, that's what you'll be seeing more. So I hope you love every of my video, and I want to thank you guys and appreciate you guys once again for always watching and sticking with me. So I love you guys. I'll see you guys. Bye.